you train a woman, no woman.
Now, good morning. We don't come again for the Ogmoge program where they come carry give now every day for 5 days of the week, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday by 10 o'clock. Neither they call, and now we they call EDO 2024 in focus. We dey sit down for EDO 2024 in focus, and we go let una know why be EDO 2024 in focus. Una go remember say the general election they just do am 2023, and after some months, timetable come out for Edo State where INEC bring come out say Edo election go be September 21st. They come put inside the timetable say February, between February 1st and the last day of February, they go bring the names of their candidates wey go represent their parties. And since then, we don't see some ogbonge persons. Those when is serious and the ones when not serious, they begin declare their intention to run for the post. And I go remember saying only one post in the Edo State, which is the governor. And the one where the assistant will be the deputy. I say make I introduce the people for studio today. When he go begin the chook mouth for this matter, they let Edo people they understand how he be, but the main direction because of the woman when he there here, we go chook mouth for where be say women they involved for politics, they involved for election, and at the end of the day, now they small pass when he reach for election. But if you say make you count the numbers of people they vote, now women, both old, young, and the small girls, we don't reach 18 and above. We get Ogbefu Doris. Now somebody where be say everybody know it don't be our main customer for this studio. She go come begin to talk about and chook mouth for the area of women. They are parts in politics. If government they favor them, she go talk her own part. And myself still remain Nosa Ege. Where they anchor this program, I call anchor. You sit down here, Okweze if na here, all of you know where when he reach sport matter, but they catch him. He still remain the goalkeeper of TMC Sports. I remain, and I will introduce myself again because let me get this program. Nosa Ege, TMC TV Radio now, one of Monga station where they give sensitization to everybody, create awareness for now, make una they understand waiting we they do. Una remember say, as we see them, now so we they talk am. Collect blame, you know the year. So, Madam Doris, welcome.
Thank you very much.
If you get waiting to tell Edo people, Niger people, the world, few things about you for 1 minute. About your title, and also you don't go many school, many training, put on for so many businesses and all that. So we say we could give you small time, like 1 minute, make you give let Edo people know whom you be apart from your name.
Okay, my name is Doris Ogbefon. I'm the Executive Director of Society for Empowered Youth Development. Now NGO where they help women and youth so that they go become whom they want to be in life. They help push them to boost their self-confidence, boost whom they are, their desires, for them to become better citizens in Nigeria. Now what they do. But for education, I know they like talk plenty book when I don't read, you know, but me no say, yes, I don't read so many book. They get me. I don't go many school. So may we keep them like that. Yes. So now who I be?
Who you be and how you they educate women where they go begin they get better life for the society. Not be you talk just now.
Yes.
You they play politics.
I no be politician. I know carry card as any political
Can't
party.
carry member of any party.
I know any political party. But I am interested in politics in the sense that now through politics, now we they bring out ogbonge person where go lead us, where go change our country to be a better place where all of us dream to be. That dream, Nigeria of our dream, where everybody they clamor for. So not only when all of us, it is our collective responsibility to be active in politics. It may not necessarily be you carrying party card, but you have a role. Every one of us, each person for this Nigeria gets that right to participate, either to support, you they get me, or to play the politics for grassroots. You dey understand? Because if we no chook hand play dis politics together, people wey no reach to lead us go come dey lead us. You dey get? But na only when we dey torchlight put for inside, now we go fit say, okay, let us all come together and put person wey sabi for the place. You dey get me? Na that time we go achieve wetin we want. Who go give us that things wey we hope for, wey we want? So, and if we no dey there, we no go know wetin dey happen. Anyhow person, any yamayama person fit come, you dey get, come become person wey go dey lead us. And what do we expect from the person? You can't expect much from that kind person, because it's only when you have something that you can offer. You can't give what you does not have. You dey get? So when we all shy away from that responsibility, e no good for our democracy.
Good.
Yes.
Not good for our democracy. I want to ask you one simple question. All this packaging, what they do for women? They sensitize them to get interest for this matter and all that. How many women they get interest to contest election? More use a those they do example. How many don't win election? As soon as many reach, how many don't support to win election?
See, plenty women get interest too. As e dey hungry man, na so e dey hungry woman. You know say public office be place where e be say men, when you come, you become the #1 citizen of that state. Whoever becomes the governor come September 2024, right?
21st. That's
September
2021.
This September now,
Okay,
I
you
mean
are saying
swearing
the
in.
swearing in.
Yes,
November 12, 2024.
Thank you for correcting me. So whoever, but the election will be September.
September 21st.
Yes. Whoever is being sworn in November 12th becomes the #1 citizen of the state. That is where the pride, first of all, sets in. That pride that, oh, that sense of achievement, that sense of fulfillment, that sense of arrival you dey get comes in. So all eyes will be on you. You will become the #1 public servant, the cynosure of all eyes. You dey get me? So that is the pride that goes with it. Though e get plenty responsibilities wey follow am o, because you becomes the commander-in-chief of the armed forces in the state, at the state level. You dey get? So assuming that we have the true presidential system in Nigeria, you know say every state na ogbonge oga patapata of them own, and you dey get? It will not be, if there is no federal interference. You dey get me? So that is the pride, and everybody admire, aspire, you dey get, to get such position. You dey understand me? That makes it special. That makes it important. No be say each and every one of us no get any work wey we dey do before, you dey get, but that pride, we just need to arrive to make sure to showcase what we have, that thing that we are loaded with. We need to come and offload it to prove to our people that yes, I can do it. Are you getting me? So as that position be, e dey hungry man and woman o, but e get some kind things when e be say dey hook women somewhere. We go discuss all of these things one by one. Abi you wan make I continue? Women dey aspire plenty. So that's
women, they aspire plenty. The question still remains. Sorry. Because if I give you time, you go leave the women empire. You go group all the women together. You go cane them. You see me them knee down. Because you dey pet them, you dey carry them knee down. Now, make I ask you one question. No question. Our women, any gathering of political gathering, now they the many pass.
yes now.
Now they mobilize. Now they go contest election because they say form is free.
Yes.
Then go take form.
Free of charge.
Free of charge. When they go to say women oyee, the women will follow the man. It go many pass the women will follow their fellow woman. How you see?
You see the matter, the women, first of all, they don't trust themselves for political offices. And another thing, when they bring the women down now, jealousy. If we just make this woman now, she just, for example, she just become the governor of the state, it could just see me finish. So with all those jealousy and love we know they within themselves, that make them get small measure inside politics. And the worst part of it, the women give women a chance. Give women a chance. The one way they don't give a chance for the country, for our country here, nothing to write to be about.
My brother, I disagree with you.
Go ahead.
Yes. Because when you say jealousy, not trusting themselves, these reasons are insignificant to what actually puts women down in politics.
But in politics, the reason why people they come out, come vote a candidate, now because they trust and they love the candidate.
Not only that, make I tell you something, because na pidgin would they speak for here. Let me tell you something. For this our Bodo Nigeria, the kind way where would they play politics here, is different from other parts of Africa. Make I tell you, women makes more than 50% of the population.
Yes.
And you know, say our population passed 200 million. Now, in Nigeria, we dey practice some kind things where me and you, we know. Make I tell you one. E get wetin we dey call patriarchy. Patriarchy na that thing, where they give una that ego, say, na me be man. You get me so?
You see?
Na me be man.
How?
I be the head. Na me suppose lead. I am the leader. Una dey forget, say una be head, women be in the neck. You dey hear me so? So this patriarchal system, many men don't abuse them. Come see and finish.
I better break them down. Waiting.
Many men don't see and finish.
No, don't explain that.
Now they talk
That
now.
English.
Patriarchy. Patriarchy be say, na
People they listen to you, make them know the meaning.
patriarchy be say, we dey inside society where be say, men be say they be the head, women they under them. So now them suppose they front, women go they back. Some say their wife belongs to the kitchen and the other room, according to our former president. You dey get me? So, number two, and that's in as I said before, it don't make many men come they see and finish. They don't see and finish. Say they go come pocket anything where they call woman around them. They go shut you down. As in bring you down, say everything about you go finish. You dey get? They go just they intimidate you. Use them, they intimidate you. They harass you. They shame you. You dey get? That one na one reason, you dey get. Number two, again, what you go need to consider.
All this one where they talk. So now the men, listen, now the men stop the woman.
At the come.
No, madam. See, if we say make we enter where you they go so.
May we enter them.
We'll overtake you.
No,
You not
the
go
journey
overtake
go too
me.
long.
No, listen, we get time. We get time.
Kampe.
Now 1 hour program now we get. Before you come, we don't do 1 hour since. As you come 1 hour, as you they come out now, another person enter studio. Wait till I want to tell you now a very simple issue. If you carry waka, enter the other lane, we be saying a nylon tie, you go run, because you know why? Now very simple issue, simple question how they ask. Women oyee,
Oyee.
women oyee, women oyee, woman go stand. He go dey contest election. Man go stand. He go dey contest election. The women go leave the woman back. Go stay behind the man. And he said, no, they call. He said, jealousy. You dey return back to the third room and the second room. You dey return back to another thing. Waiting, I want to clarify. Very simple matter. He talk one word just now. If I join her, he go talk more. He say, he be like saying jealousy. I dey call, you go answer. It be like saying jealousy. It be like say they don't like themselves. It be like say they talk and say, I go just be, he go come be governor. I go call they tell us, sir. I know what they happen for some ministries today. Where you get commissioner for women affairs, the permanent secretary go be woman.
Yes.
Two of them know they agree. They know they agree. Are you getting me? If you put man there, I don't see man will be PS. He will go meet commissioner will be woman. Hello, man. Hello, man. Ma, you see, ma, every minute, ma, you go see the woman, the commissioner woman, go they call her. Call me Mr. Agbe, call me Mr. Solomon. If woman be PS, man, woman, a commissioner, you will see ego. You know, say civil servants are big gossip with their directors and other staff. They gossip the poor woman. The woman go they say my commission, my PS. I go meet the head of service, make the transfer and come out. Why women? Why women? Why they not love themselves to say, Stephanie, what there, they contest election. All the women support Stephanie. No woman should vote for any man. Why not fit do one like that? Now jealousy stage, on a hatred, on a wickedness to women. Explain to us. We dey listen to you.
You know, say, if you dey tag am women to women, it will come be like, say, this discussion, we don't conclude them. Say now, women to women before we started. But I will tell you reasons why this thing be. I will link
Now
them.
the reasons don't people want listening to.
I will link them. Sure, you know, understand the kind of politics we play. Money politics. Okay. When you talk about mobilization, it's all about money.
Good.
There are a lot of money play behind the scene that a lot of women cannot afford. Yes.
Okay.
Ask me. Because I will tell you that I am going to link all these points when I want to talk so. And tell you why we became disadvantaged and excluded, tactically excluded from the system. You go ask me, how many women can play such money politics? Mostly before the primaries. How many women can be able to release heavy funds for what we call leaders in various political parties? How many women can do such visitation to appease them? Because in this part of the world, now who get money, now they list in pass. So we are trying to be practical. We are trying to be realistic. You they get? Now, let's keep the money politics aside. And I will tell you why women, some of us cannot be able to afford or pull such muscle. May our shoulder or rub shoulder with our men in that kind of context. Now, we have been for so long relegated, subjugated, you they get me, to the back door.
Where to know if I for front door before?
Now waiting patriarchy they do. Because again, if we still talk about religion for this country, you they get me? Yeah. You know, say it gets some part of this state where they practice the Christian religion. What would they do? It still gets some people where still they practice the African traditional religion. No religion, including Christianity, no religion supports women in politics. And that is why we are pushing to end such stereotype. Now, journey, you know, say journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step. It's a work in progress.
Men and women, how many pass for church?
Now they tell you now. You know, say it takes time to change wetin don't take for body.
How many women, a woman will marry three husbands for us?
Now be the issue. To marry 3 women not be the problem. But now the condition where you give the 3 women.
Depends on where they come from.
Because if you see, if I tell you, say, the only thing we go fit give woman power. Now when you allow her to be empowered, when she empower herself, you they get me? You allow her to go to work.
Okay, let me stop you there.
And also keep her money.
Let me stop. No,
Yes.
let me stop you. Let me stop you there. Okweze, sorry, before we go break, I want to drag this matter because she
that the talk say empower women.
Empower women. I want to ask you, the last election 2023, February 25th, where some people decide, say, Obi will be president.
Yes.
He can't even make some Bogons where those states can't lose their units.
Yes.
Some of them, they even want contest now. Some party, they use that one until they screen them now. Now, money those people take decide, say, Obi must be.
No be money.
Not be decision.
Yes, decision. Now what they try to tell her, decision. They make up their mind, say, at all, now be. Now, I want to ask you this question. You they talk about the empowerment of women. Now, the women for the society, when they don't get privilege to political offices, we don't see the outcome. Now, when you go back to histories of time, now for like might just go in the state when you're small Anambra, you see during the time when they come out Obi Ngigi, they bring a woman as their acting governor. And all through the history of Anambra, now that woman don't get corruption charges. Look former aviation minister under Goodluck Jonathan, Desiani.
Stay loud.
No, Stella Odua, they said in a ministry of
Petroleum.
Petroleum.
that one did there.
That one did there.
At Speaker for House of Reps.
No, now you they call their name.
No, it's not a secret.
No, we'll call name.
We'll call name.
See
Yes.
the recent one now.
What's it? Edu. 36, 37 years old child.
Even a madam.
And madam we get Adiza we just waka
So,
come out.
You see the women
And
who
you
don't
see,
give
you see
time.
why they come out? They say the men are corrupt.
Yes.
We are coming to change the narrative.
The narrative.
We must change your system. The way Nigerians is going, the men, they are killing Nigeria. Nigeria is dead. Now, connection, they call the push, they come out. They call the push, they come out. Now I know say, I never mistake one day, transfer money, it will go on that person's account. And they use toothpick, count the zero for my phone. 1, 2,
my
3, I
God.
count am. And they always want they correct before I send money. Somebody, former minister, will be saying a suspension to the face. So, according to reports, say she mistakenly transfer money, enter private
account to some
account.
private
44
account.
billion.
It reached out.
44.
Now 500. I'm talking about the present suspended minister. Now 580 something, be 500. It not reach 1 billion.
Is Hadiza.
We're not talking about this. We're
The
talking the
CEO.
present one.
The present one.
The present one. They make a commissioner for head for Cross River. They carry and say do women leader.
National women leader for
Everybody
office.
can't like him. Say, young girl, vibrant, blah, 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 blah. She enter system. They can't make her humanitarian.
Yes.
Humanitarian, that's when people get soft hearts.
Now that one would they call mother office.
Your mother office, they can't give her. She can't dey there. Appointment of ministers, it be like saying around June, July.
Yes.
Now let's assume now from September they employ them or appoint them, or now from August they appoint them. We just they enter December. Corruption charges not there against the woman. Give women a chance. Every day now, man. Give women a chance. You see, giving women chances, and then they can't chance the men come out. And the process of chancing the men, then they can't be more corrupt.
See.
You see, you see the problem. They can't be more corrupt. And the process of doing this, they say, woman, they contest the election. Me will be man, I want to vote for you. For one reason or the other. And you say you not get money. The women in the society will say, whether money involved, whether she campaign, now our turn.
Now our turn.
Make we vote for our sister. Why don't they be like that?
You know, see that two things you raised. I go take them one after the other. You mentioned.
So now 2 minutes, we they go break now. Just 2 minutes.
It takes two to tango when
Yes.
you talk about the corruption.
Yes.
Better Edu and Co. You use in giving example. They didn't do whatever they did on their own or in company of other women. Men were behind the scene.
No.
I'm coming, sir.
I disagree. Okweze need to disagree that.
I'm coming, sir.
No.
And again, this same stereotype I'm still talking about. We've been having corrupt cases around corruption in Nigeria, both
Yes.
with former governors, both with ministers that
Yes.
are male.
Where they call copy now.
That are male. So many of
Yes.
them. We will not mention them all. Not only this few that is insignificant. This number that is
Give
insignificant.
women a chance. Now
We
bring
are
this
not
one.
mentioning the women who had broken the glass ceiling, who had made impact. People in the person of the Dora, late Professor Dora Akunyili. Are you getting me?
Yes.
We can't give example with that one now. We did not even mention Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. Are you getting me? We not even go that side because we normally like to blink our eyes when somebody is doing good or when someone has done good. May we still appreciate women that have done good and overlook this little few that their number is insignificant.
Little,
so we not. They are very little.
Little few.
Insignificant in the society.
When you take the statistics of women in politics, when you don't deliver, it did lesser than those when you don't enter.
We don't
cause
corruption.
You just counted
corruption.
4.
4.
Yes.
Wait, more count again.
Yes, count again.
Not be that one we sit down here for.
Okay.
An extension of our discussion.
You just counted 4, but I can count more than 20 of men.
No, we know the men are corrupt according to
because they are more more exposed.
But the reason why
offices.
the reason why the men corrupt now make the women dey bedroom, make the men go they bring the food come.
We don't want them like
and
that.
that be the problem now. Why una not even?
We need an inclusive system.
Una go contest. May all the women queue behind una.
Yes, and
to become inclusive, you have to stand. Women Oyee, that be the program of here. That be the title of this.
Remember, I said something.
Yes.
It is not the voters that determines the candidate.
Okay, Zainek.
It is delegates, party delegates, that determines whom will be or who to vote for as their ticket flag bearer.
Okay.
Of a political party.
I want to ask you another
it's
question.
It's only when you scale through primaries
they come,
that you begin to look for sympathy of voters.
Let me ask you one
question.
question.
How many women has political parties given that opportunity
if they not
to be the flag bearer?
If they not give the opportunity,
the last election for...
listen. If they not give the opportunity, person won't go buy from 50 million. They say woman take and free. Why all the women not go take?
Okay, women take.
How many?
How many they take? The last presidential election,
how many
APC gave free. But not just one woman.
No, governor, let's come to this state. Let's come to this state. They don't give them free for EDO according to party. Only one
person
will lose the election just recently. Now he still go take. Abi?
Was it free or they reduce the money?
Free.
Woman not they pay.
Give woman a chance.
Give woman a chance. Now, as you be so you go take, they'll give you. Are you getting me? If anybody go there, they'll give them. By the time they come, instead of you to step down for fellow woman, you'll say you step down for me. You see where we dey?
You don't get me.
No, I get you. I don't want to get you too much. If I get you too much, we'll not come out here. Now we go carry leg, make we put them and chook them for commercial, where we they call break. We don't do 30 minutes. We don't talk about some areas. We don't talk about women Oyee. Though the woman they escape, our guests they escape women Oyee. She don't want to talk women Oyee. If you ask a question, it go the other side. When we return back, we enter women Oyee. Okay. But the time of sharing, they not go Oyee them again. The time of saying make we vote for them, women not go vote for woman. Make the woman become who she want be or where the women want be. I still remember Osa Ere. I don't want to talk about the rest again. And I go remember say EDO 2024 in focus. Between now, before election and after election, now this program will last. Make we carry leg, chook for commercial. When we return back, we go begin talk about individual primaries where they come and different political parties where don't they do movement on how to reduce the numbers of aspirants or where we say some don't get few, some still get major, how the zoning matter they be, how EDO go to succeed after election because wait till they talk so now one seat, all of them they go. But when they reach there, now one person go sit down. When they come back, we will reach them again. Thank you.
Our women, our mothers, our wives.
Women Oyee!
You form more than half our population. You are the ones that hold the values of the homes dear. You create the home, you strengthen the values, and you hold us up strong. Our mothers, our wives, our daughters, our women, you will all be an integral part of the development of this our state.
Woman talk to woman. No woman.
Women Oyee! Women Oyee!
Women Oyee. You train a woman. No woman.
Yeah, my people and the society, we don't return back from the break. We carry waka go, we don't come back. We still there with Madam Doris Ogbefun and Okweze Ifunanya and myself. I still remember the name all of them know because I told her, I say, now let me go sign out with my double name. But when I return back, I go balance them with their names. Now we still the chook mat for women Oyee matter for the society. We be say they don't involve for election, but they support the men to reach position. But when women like them go contest election, they know they support her. And we go still chook mat for that place tomorrow. Now just 3 minutes we'll talk of that area. I'm going to enter 2024 EDO in focus. We they call them EDO 2024 in focus. We'll go enter that matter. How people don't ready for primary, how they reduce, some people don't reduce their numbers. How some political parties, they get problem. Whether they indict and say, now so person, and they support them for their party to become governor. How one person, they say one person, they sponsor two political party, make sure say they win election. We'll chook mat for those areas. Madam Doris, I say, make I ask you again, what do they do about these women? When it be say, they enter into politics. Majority of them, they end up for supporting. Minority of them, they contest. And majority, they give support to minority to win election.
Well, I always encourage women to participate in politics. That is the main thing. Because those numbers you are even looking at, we are more than that if everybody puts hands together. And if you even look at the ones where go book where they get as they take they see the politics, say women where they inside politics, say they be one kind set of people. And one may will change that kind mindset. Say politics no be dirty game as they call them. And women where they inside, they know they do bad. They be saying and women where be say they no get reputation. No be so. Now something that we all of us must participate to build and make our democracy work well. So make all of us abeg come out. And as you they come out, they participate in politics. Make sure say you put behind that your, if you say you are coming into politics because you want to reach yourself, yes. Carry that mindset, drop them for one corner. Because if you they enter politics, they think about your pocket alone. You are not doing us good. You are not doing well to the society. We they beg you, say, make you focus. If you look at, because we still they talk about women in politics is important. We want women with competence. So, not be say they say women, give women a chance. No, anyhow women, you carry them, give them a chance. And they lead to all these kind of things. These names where you they mentioned before.
Where we they mention, not the way I.
Where we they mentioned before. So now they lead to that kind of thing. But when you look at those where be say they get integrity, competence, they know them well, you check them very well, you understand me, support them. Be proud of the person. Help the person make him work go well. And again, men will know they support men. They pull other women down.
Beautiful.
Because me see am say, I go tell you the reason. Men hand still dey inside. E good men will remove that monkey hand where they inside soup, so that we go actually know wetin dey our soup very well. You know say the kind society where we dey, many men they get influence over their wife. Assuming say woman, as we dey give example before, being commissioner, another woman being permanent secretary, you go see power play where if the man they see and say, say e get some women they work, you they see them like big women, but they don't have control of their finances. Now their husband they control them. When their husband don't expect some kind money to come in, if it be say the other woman they disciplined with resources, with public funds, you they get. Now oga go come they tell her for house, who does that? You they get me? Not be ordinary woman like you. do am like this, do am like this, do am like that. Plan don dey come in o. You know say they say 2 good heads are better than 1. When Baba don dey house, they put fire and fuel together for him wife. They give am direction how he wan take dey fight him fellow woman for office. He might be in the political arena. Kata go dey, but you no go dey understand say na man dey set fire where they bring out that smoke. You no go understand. This one I dey tell you so. Na some activities where they happen behind the scene. It takes a very courageous woman to go to work and keep anything office matters in the office and go back home as a wife and limit the kind communication where you go dey tell your oga.
Yes.
Because some men, they too poisonous, too badly, their influence too they bad. Mostly those ones who love money, they will push you to the wall, make you even to do, mess you up in the office, to do what you are not supposed to do. And when he don't cast, now your name, people go they mention. He go come bring shame to every woman where they house. He go play say, we can't stay, they corrupt again as men, they corrupt. You they get? If it still be male colleague, their wives too, fit still they push it. You know, still get some men, when no they fit take decision on their own as a man. You they get me? They will be say anything where their wife talk. This abuse, where would they talk? If they happen for man, if they happen for woman, oh, you they get? When their wife don't talk, they no do them as the woman, he go collect woto for house. So because of that fear, he go still they fight that woman where they house, where the office, where be in oga, or where him be the woman oga. So this is where that problem come. And when I tell you, say it takes 2 to tango. You they get? If it be colleague, if it be your person where they house, you they get. So what I'm trying to say in the nutshell is that it is time for all of us to get sense. Now HK would they talk, oh, your IQ. Use your brain to do what is right. Remember, Oganosa, when we put this nation first, when we put the interest of this nation first, we must do great things. We will achieve great things. By the time we drop our ego, we drop personal interest, anything monetarily, we become selfish in terms of pursuing the right goal that will benefit everybody. Because I see say, now woman, I keep saying it, now woman fit give us better leadership in this nation. I trust what I'm saying. Just give us a chance. Not only we can position things right.
A chance again?
Yes, I dey tell you. You know what it means to be a woman? We are better coordinators. We are better managers. We are better leaders. In fact, with a difference.
You know, she said I don't wear my headset.
Yes, God created us in that form because we can double task. We can, in fact, do great things more than you guys men. But just that what we need is that enabling environment, that inclusiveness. We are not saying that men should go away. Let us all work together, hand in hand, paddy, as in this is a man, this is a woman. We get it done. It is right time. I know say for Nigeria today, we have about 7 deputy governors so far. You understand me? And it's a good news. But I go like may we break that jinx to also vote a woman in as a governor, not a caretaker, as a governor. And when you give that woman a chance, elect her, give her a chance, no bother her with corruptive tendencies. No push am to commit. Sign, madam, sign your signature here. Now, man, they do am. They go bring memo for you. Ah, madam, the only signature here you go sign for us. And if you don't sign them, you are finished. They will use it to rubbish you. So I beg, we all need to work together. Now, I still want to talk to my fellow women in rural places, in villages. I tell God, beg una la ho wo wo. Women oyee.
Oyee.
I beg, make it no end.
Women
oyee.
Oyee.
I beg, make it no end for women oyee. When they want give you packet of omo. thank God omo don comot sef, they say they no wan do again.
Clean.
Or they give you packet
No,
of
detergent.
salt. They give you packet of Maggi, 10 kg rice. They go shout, women oyee, una go say oyee. I wan tell una today, say your voters card, there is power in it. Better power. You see that's what they call vote. Any person wey give you packet of salt, say make you bring your voters card, abeg hide your voters card for your susu bag, because na that thing they take dey deceive us. Abeg, if you be woman and you be delegate, make you use your sister mind, your church mind, touchlight. Who be woman? Abeg, if anyone wey dey come out, we no too understand them, because we dey talk about competence, integrity, track record. We want woman, no be anyhow woman. No be that one wey they wan use to siphon money. We want that one that be say you cannot control her. She will stand on what is right. Na that kind people we want. No be those ones wey go use their bum cover bag of money, Ghana must go. You dey get? No be that kind grade of woman we want to lead us. When we dey for our rural villages and they come say women oyee, abeg, it is time for us to also tell them, if we enter there, e bad. This office sweet o. When we have, we go see the kind gele wey we go dey see for government house, you no believe am. Gele too sweet o, go back too sweet. But no be the ones wey go enter. They go come carry us, keep us where e be say na under tree where we belong. We no belong for under tree o. Office sweet, AC sweet for our body, abi women no be so. May we no dey reduce ourselves with packet of salt. That time don pass. May we no dey reduce ourselves with small money wey go squeeze inside your purse, zip am. When you don go market, buy crayfish, buy pepper, that money don finish. Meanwhile, wetin we dey fight for as women, we no get am. Na only when woman don enter there, im go remember say inclusiveness dey important. Because if she's not given the opportunity, she no go get there. And I take body dey beg our deputy governors so far. I still take body dey beg wives of the governors, make they consider this thing wey we dey talk. Because if they were not given a chance from the family level to even go to school to empower themselves, I'm not sure say they go support their husband reach for him to win governor. E no easy. And I no sure say they go fit stand behind their governor, make it they do well. Because there is this saying that says, behind every successful man, there is a woman. I no sure. Na empowerment. You know, say when woman wan go school, e dey school finish. When woman wan get sense, e dey get am finish. E no get anything where woman put hand, say na this one I wan focus, na this thing I wan achieve, where she know that achieve am. We are so determined. And that's why I have so much confidence that women are better leaders, better coordinators, can even govern better than any other space, even whether you be transgender or say you be man. Woman we stand out the best. We stand out, I'm telling you. So I dey beg, because we cannot achieve it without support. Because they say, na corporation, rice take the full pot. Say now when you concentrate urine for one place, you concentrate piss for one place like this, now that piece they form foam. You go they foam. You they get? So it is time for us to come together. Please, this is the time for primaries. I want beg, because a lot they happen for political party. If you no understand, make we get them now. Because this our democracy where we they talk is in the hands of political parties. Because in our constitution, no only political party go fit produce any candidate.
Yes. Whether
na local government, whether na governorship, house of assembly, anyone, presidency, house of rep or senate, na political party. It is better we women, we use body. You know, say when you say woman leader, it be like a force. You dey get? e good when we use body dey put ourselves in a position, strategic positions, wey e be say we go fit take decision in the political party. Because I believe that when more women get position inside political party gidigbam, na that time we go tell you say yes, una don go reach. Na our time to also give ticket to woman. Na our time to also have, as we have a 24 members in the House of Assembly, it is also time we balance it 14-14. You dey get? But when women no dey that kind better sweet strategic positions in the political party, it will remain business as usual. So I no wan talk, I dey talk am say make I bring am down, give them secrets how we wan take achieve am. You dey get? Na through political parties we need to penetrate. Women Oyee, we need to get deep down there, position ourselves. Make we no dey see only woman leader as the alpha and omega. Now they see it o. They use that one, they rub us oil for mouth. When they don't chop the better meat finish, they go just use their finger, rub us that one for mouth, give us position as a woman leader. They give us a deputy senatorial leader. Deputy. No! It is time, world level. It is time a woman becomes a world leader. It is time at a local government level. Let a woman still be local government, not woman leader. The overall, we want such position. Then at the party, as in overall state party level, let woman still be party president or party chairman. Sky no go fall. Now when we begin to, because when we have those positions, we will not be giving some privileges to bring our candidates. We will be giving slots to bring candidates. Now that time we will not have the opportunity to push women with competence forward. Because when we dey talk am say give women a chance, it might not be possible if we no enter deep into political parties, position ourselves as the core decision makers, those that makes things happen in political parties. That is when we will begin to say yes, inclusiveness, we will achieve it both in elected positions and in political appointments. Yes.
Thank you very much. You see, break where you go just now, let's say you go eat rice. Because the way you can't understand where we they go.
Yes.
And the way you they drive the car, they tell you say, hold up day front. You say no problem. When I get there, I go past the hold up. You maneuver, you enter express road. Thank you very much, because I be get many questions. We get questions for granted, but we go hold the questions. You don't take our time well. You chop the time, you chop the 40 minutes where we get from the program, and we allow you. Because this proper sensitization where you do just now, is send message to the women, say, take your right. Take your right, not be say, go do your bed, leave your husband bed. No, take your right. Stand gidigba behind your fellow woman. Vote rightly, not before salt, not before 10 kg of rice. So they will share onion. Before you reach house,
It don't spoil.
it don't spoil. You see, problem there for women's side, because now they be our mothers, now they be our wives, now they be our sisters. Where we say the boys go waka come out, the girls their house. Now they see the hustle from outside, still bring small to say, I'm not too whole, just hold this. But before you see guy can't do that one, he tell you say, he babe nowhere. And that's how in this sense. So you're saying, I say, the women, they get proper responsibility because of the heart way God give them. You're saying, I say, for church, they go pray for their siblings. They will pray for their mama. They will pray for, even the way mama don't die, he go still they pray for her. Say, may her soul rest in perfect peace. The women so get so many things for her heart. Where they can't learn stealing, now that one can't they pain us. When I'm from the men hand, though, I'm coming. When I'm the men hand, they can't learn her. When it be say, our sister will do humanitarian whenever to take so.
How many days in office?
She finished secondary school 2001. As at 2000, they say a new generation now they come. At the age of 8, they carry her come from London, come begin school for Yoruba land. She come school. She's from Cross River. But the papa stay for Lagos where. She go better school. She come at her age, she can't do commissioner for health. At her age, she can't do women leader. National. For the present government and the present party. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
After a few months, they can say, hey, she don't thief. But we both they call them alleged or suspect. They can't begin carry and go EFCC. Fellow woman. And the same fellow woman, now run go London since. Where they go tell and say, one Nigerian pass, he go pass here. You don't want to use here. We don't say the majority was still better for women. Now many pass the majority for men. Yes. We never corrupt. The women still they try.
You don't they come now.
Yes, no, I'm just saying, listen.
Because my body they hot.
I go
when we
use
first
words.
start.
I use words every words from your mouth. The women for our company here, the women do pass they do pass the men. They are more concerned about the men. In terms of punctuality, now the women.
Thank you.
In terms of being cared, now the women. In terms of things where they happen, now the women.
Thank you.
Most of the things where the men they do now, the women don't they learn now. They say they want to take charge. Are you getting me? I just talk about this our company where small here so. Then you can see outside. The women they are taking over. If you lie down, you born girl. The boy they play ball, the girl lie down here, papa. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Now from youthful age that they get that mind. We know. But make una they do them. Now two things wey concern me. One, the women, maybe they support their woman. Very important. Because the level where the men they go, resources, they'll take and mobilize young girls, mobilize young boys, youth. They'll come mobilize the women. The women go past woman, the worker go back. Those are areas we need to be talking about. If you say me they go do election today, me they go vote. Now the women go many pass. If you go churches today, now the women they pray. Do you get? So you don't choke mouth, you don't talk. Questions when I be one ask. I leave out for the 10 o'clock tomorrow because we they expect one ogbonge person. We be saying a politician ain't be. Make it can't choke mouth for the political period where we dey so that make Edo people they know the true primary way want take place and the true election we want take place because INEC not just name. Now we be INEC. Now when we stand behind INEC go do the proper thing.
Yes, because no be INEC they can't thief the ballot.
Not be there they can't thief the ballot boxes. Not be there they inflate the figures. Now we they write and give them.
Yes.
Now we they tell them say, oh yeah now. But we never catch them say now they increase them. But now we they do all the bad things. The wayo, tiffy. Now we they do them.
Not true.
Now then you see woman put on for chest and for waist. You go say, they come on. Hold on. Now the women they do security. You see where the whole thing bad.
Yeah.
So my sister, thank you very much. You don't choke. If I say more question, ask you question, we not come on here. We don't. In fact, if you see DOP, don't they tell us say time don't they go? I say make I tell her now for this place. I for tell her say give our people your last word. I not go tell her because she don't already give the last words. Make una not forget. Edo 2024 in focus. Now program when it be saying politics, development, election, proper. Now we day after. As we dey talk am, we not dey take blame. We dey talk am the way e be. We bring you come our studio. We not dey bias. Tell Edo people so far no insult people. Tell Nigerians so far no insult people. Tell the whole world so far make you no insult anybody. What you not dey sure of, put am as alleged. What you not dey sure of, put am for under suspect. Not come put mouth for this our studio or this our station to come dey tell people say na true. We fat never dey.
Yes.
My name still remain Nosa Ere. Doris Ogbefun, now one of our guests, our customer, we don't they come here since. We go see the expecter next week because she don't tell us for backyard yesterday say every week she wants me that they feature her, make she they give sensitization to our youth and our women. Okweze goalkeeper, I hear say Super Eagles, when they get match?
They don't qualify now. So
You say na Super lose.
no. We qualified normal.
Okay, when did they play the last one?
Yesterday we win 1-0.
Oh, I see where Mr. Governor congratulated
Yes,
them.
he congratulated.
Oh, that's good.
Even the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFRO, he congratulated them.
Congratulate. That's encouragement.
Yes, encouragement.
You see, and I see one young girl now. We be say, "Oh, they pull weight for football matter." What do they call her?
Sister Oshola.
Eh?
Oshola.
You see, women, they are coming up. Do you get? They are trying. See the other one run that day.
Yes.
What do they call that one?
Toby
Amusu. Toby Amusu.
You see, even though we say drug matter come, they call say a lie.
Even
say,
for lock job, blessing or Cadbury. So all
no,
of them, they do
the
very,
women,
very well.
where the men now?
The men, they do well. But for sport, now the women, they deliver past the men.
Yes.
What they do for
I would
sport.
say women. There's
something about us.
People need to wake up.
Yes,
We
they
are
need
untapped potential.
Yes.
And that is why Nigeria is still poor, because they see development.
I go hold you there. On Tuesday next week, you say you will get chance, make you come. Because this matter of women, you need to dey give sensitization to women so that make they stand gidigba one day. You know when you get one goat, you pursue, you go stand. Now you go to pursue you. That's what women suppose they do. Because it be like the men don't use the women.
They're not to pursue them.
They're not none. May they take charge.
But may they take charge to a positive way, Lou.
Of course. Of course.
Thank you very much, my people. Now God go bless you now. We go come tomorrow by 10 o'clock with one ogbonge person when we go there here. Make una go listen to now where. We go sit down for this station Gidigba to tell you now how the election, the campaign they go. Thank you very much.
You fit get ogbonge update on top politics, health, agriculture, sports, abi na entertainment with just one click for our YouTube channel on top TMC TV. TMC TV, purely PJ.